So, do all that work to get my rail, and I run 2 boxes for the day, and that's it. So then they put me back on dump work, and I'm supposed to do 4 loads of the slag material going to the construction site. And when I got there, there was approximately, let's say, 7 trucks doing this project. There's no way you can run 4 of them. They open at 7:30, but they close at 1:30. Well, I'll take it back. They leave at 2, but your maximum cutoff is 1:45. But you gotta be through security by 1:30. So, needless to say, I only got 3 loads, and apparently the office is supposedly getting calls from the construction site saying they're upset we're not getting 4 on the ground. I kind of highly doubt that, because all they're doing is making a mountain of it. They're not even using it. So anyways, that was Tuesday. Now Wednesday, I was able to run 4, but I got there right at cutoff. So I got 4 on the ground. And so I get a message from the office telling me to drive. I'm supposed to take 2 loads. That's from one site to the landfill. And then Friday, I gotta drive to Pittsburgh, which is about 2.5 hours away. And then go to the disposal site in Michigan. And then head home. So, now keep in mind, when I leave my hometown to go up there, I barely have time to make it back. So there's no way I could do it in a day cab. You got 2 to 3 hours down. About 3.5, 4 up, and about 3 back. That doesn't count sitting or anything. So that's that. I said, well, can I pick the stuff up Thursday after I run these to the landfill? Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Well, then I found out I gotta have a specific trailer, so I just grabbed that auto tarp trailer, saved my knee, just to drop it to grab this trailer. And then I find out that they said it was dirt, so I need liners, so I grabbed some liners. Then on the way down here, another driver told me what it was, and I haven't picked this stuff up in 5 years, but as soon as he told me it was sludge and tar, I knew what I was picking up. So this is going to be my whole day right here. So there's no way I can preload this material. So my crystal ball is telling me I'm going to be in a hotel room tomorrow. Don't know why they planned this. I know if I get a sleeper, that'll be it. I'll be stuck in a sleeper or sleeping in my truck. And I'm just not doing it. I'm not offering myself that. Been here 8 years, and finally got a day cab and local. I have a feeling a bunch of drivers quit because they got laid off. They're not coming back. There's about 20 trucks that are empty right now in the fleet. So, stuff's looking bad. This COVID-19 has really hurt the economy because the governor's kept everything closed for so long. They think the closing everything would kill it off, and it didn't. Now they're reopening and we're just spiking up. So what's going to happen now? Now we're economically hurt, and then the second wave is going to finish us off. So that's special. And on top of that, now we got riots, which is gonna, make the spike worse, supposedly. Things are gonna be closed even longer. And to be honest, I'm a little disappointed right now. And none of the governors are calling the National Guard. People are getting shot now. Cops are walking off the jobs, they're resigning. They defunded the police in Minneapolis, I guess. We're turning into the Wild West. We're going backwards instead of forwards. That's special. Some weird ideology is going through Democrats, Democratic states. I don't know what to think. It's not looking good. Then we got Google censoring everybody. Could very well be a collapse of our country if they keep it up. If they don't call the guards or whatever. So, yep. More stuff to look forward to. Anyways, have a good day. Shoot, subscribe.